morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're back. It is Wednesday. It is hump day. We got FOMC minutes today at 2 p.m. Market could be choppy again today. As long as we don't make new 52-week lows again, which would be great. I'm all here for it. Got the Powerade ready. Let's get the music rolling. Get the party started. What do you mean? No longer available. How's everybody doing this morning? You guys taking any trades yet? I see we got a 62% runner.
HPCO.
Come on. There we go. The music is up. We are good to go. Dang, my hair's sticking up all over the place today, huh? The one day I'm like, no, I don't think I want to gel it this morning. HKD back up over 50. Yeah, HPCO is our top gainer this morning. Is chat not coming through? Or is just no one said anything yet? So yeah, we got HPCO. Let me look and see if I have news. 486%. What's up, AC? Good morning. There we go. Revenue up 486% year over year. Hey, what's up, Discipline? Good morning. Good morning. So
ARBK, PHG.
That's HPCO. I saw MTA talking about something when I popped on.
SWN.
Oh, GALT. GALT. Receives FDA approval to proceed with combination immunotherapy trial in head and neck cancer. Cool. Oh, is that why HPO's up so much? Yeah, recent IPO, isn't it? Yeah, 4. Yep. 425, 475, 5. Not a whole lot of history to go off of. Ponytail push, the hashtag ponytail push. Yeah. Let's look real quick. So, I mean, it doesn't have a whole lot on the chart, but clear levels, we're already up to 360. So it's pretty clear to 4. And then you got these bodies at 425, 430-ish, and then 475. Let me look at the actual PR again, because I mean, it could be up 400 and blankety blank percent year over year, but they still didn't really make a whole lot. Yeah, see, I mean, the headline sounds fantastic, but you increased 486% up to 2.8 million. So it was, I don't know how that works out. What times 4.5 equals 2.8 million, but It was like a few hundred K is what they were making, and they increased 486% year over year to 2.8 million. And that's for the first half. So, I mean, 2.8 million is nothing to laugh at, or it's nothing to brush to the side. But when you look at, listed companies making 2.8 million in 6 months, not a whole lot. But overall for that company, it is 486% increase. So they have herb and hemp-based alternatives to nicotine. I feel like in 10 years, we're just going to be able to go to the gas station and they're going to sell like hemp cigarettes. And it's just going to be taxed, just like regular cigarettes. THC included, like, I mean, same as buying alcohol. I mean, really. You can buy beer at the gas station here. I don't know about in every state, but you can buy beer at the grocery store. The only thing you can't buy is like hard liquor. You got to go to the ABC store here. Do you guys have liquor stores where you live, or is it just like a state ABC store like Virginia? Only place we can buy like liquor is the ABC store. No liquor stores exist. HKD. It's so thin and so low volume. I mean, it's impossible to play, really. But AMTD and Megal and iLag are all sympathies. What's ABC store? Okay, that's the answer. So ABC store is like the government version of a liquor store. Like it's Virginia ABC controlled by like a form of Virginia government, and they can only sell alcohol, like liquor, there, nowhere else. But like if I cross the border to Maryland or West Virginia, I think they have regular, like some John owns this building that you can just sell liquor in, which is, I think that's the place in a lot of places. But in Virginia, yeah, Alcoholic Beverage Commission. Yep. And they only sell it right there.
ADMP.
Like the Costco, I think in DC, sells liquor. Like you can go there and buy liquor at Costco. But Virginia, that would never happen.
PHG. BIAF.
Interesting. Yeah, it's they have their own store. It's literally called the ABC store. And it says Virginia ABC. Looks like there's 17 states that have they're like state controlled. in a different way or not.
PEGY.
I will look potentially if it continues to get decent volume and such. Yeah, this is what it looks like. So like gas stations and grocery stores or whatever can sell beer, and even like High Noon that has vodka in it and stuff like that. But maybe it's a percentage, like anything over a certain percentage has to go there. I'm not sure. Yeah, this thing needs a candle close over 362, 363 here. There's a lot of people on it already. That's the part that kind of scares me. Like, if we're already hearing like the next, then I don't want to be a part of it. I don't really see anything on Twitter. A couple things. D-Man was calling it yesterday. See what happens with it. So SPY yesterday, they hit 52-week lows on it, just barely. So just barely, and then it hammered up. It looked like it was going to close strong yesterday, and then 245, somebody hit the sell button, and then everybody hit the sell button. So completely washed back down to the 52-week low, a new 52-week low actually by a couple cents here. But so far it's been kind of poor lows from here, because this one hit, and then we tried to go under it here, we couldn't. We tried to go under it here, and we just keep hammering around. So if today pushes up, it may be a decent green day, but if it also pushes down, this is probably sending us straight to 350. Let's see, what did Lucy do, that pre-market? So it had its first spike up to here at 810, and it never went any higher until after open on Lucy. What about Lay's? Lay's, that one continued up a little bit. It broke out at 830.
PHG.
I'm gonna go the 1 minute. It's just floating on the 5. It didn't save my my thing I did yesterday. Remember when I put the volume on top here? I'm gonna have to go in and fix it again. So symbol, last, we don't need net change. We need volume total. Net percent change.
ARBK.
There we go.
WTRH.
Yeah, this is looking like really the only thing with action right this very second. Has anybody figured out why Peggy is going straight up every single day? Solars are dead. No news. They set their annual meeting for their shareholders on December 7th, so I just can't trade it because it's there's no reason for it to be up. It had a Form 4 where they disposed of 1 million shares. Actually, that's a little more complex than that, I think. Maybe they turned like some warrants into shares or something. But it is disposed of.
WBEV. HPCO.
And then they had an S8. Okay, so this probably has something to do with that that Form 4. But yeah, like if you pull up and compare to the lead solar dog on the daily, it's wrecked. It's murdered. It's killed. And then you pull up old Peggy with zero news, zero reason to be up, and she's on a rocket. Hey, Potsy, what's up? Good morning. And it would make more sense even if there was a theme. Like if there was a solar that's going nuts, or, you know, we're going off of recent IPOs, like anything. But this is for no reason. I think I found it. Back on September 22nd, Tom Holland, aka Spider-Man, bought some. So now that Spider-Man's in, it's running. All right, here it is. The proof is in the pudding right there. Tom Holland. So Spider-Man's in, and maybe he's getting his, buddies to load up. Pineapple Peggy energy, baby. It's the future. It's all, the only reason I could find. It makes more sense than what's happening right now. Hey, Snacks, what's up?
Sit down.
Do they have like a big offering waiting? Okay, so they do have an S3 in effect. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe it's a huge offering run up. Late August, they filed the S3 and it's in effect. Maybe that's it. That's the only thing I could possibly think of. It's either Tom Holland, aka Spider-Man, or this S3 that's in effect. Yeah, HPCO should go to 4 if it breaks up. Second. Yep, it's basically they've loaded the gun and it is ready to roll. They can drop an offering at any moment. Yep, it was just a shelf. So an S3 in effect means that they've got the whole shelf ready to drop. An S1 in effect means that the actual offering is happening. HPCO is one of those that it has a ask at every cent, and every time one of those asks get eaten, it just gets reloaded completely.
Elmer, DM.
Yeah, they finally trapped shorts on something that is just kind of going. The float's only 5 million for pegging. That's crazy. So the float's 5 million, and the S3 was for up to 9.4 million. Is that right? Where are you getting your number from? I'm showing shares outstanding 7 million, shares float 5.7 million, and then offering potential 9.411 million. So it would be well over the shares outstanding, potentially.
CNK.
But they definitely have fueled this run. That's for sure. Guess they were just expecting the offering to happen a little bit before it already has. HPCO tried to push up a little bit there, just got smacked right back down.
HIBS.
Yeah, it's trying to go now. Discipline. I had it for a second down there, low 360, but it was kind of screwing around, so I cut it. Still having a lot of selling pressure, 370 or above. But yeah, and I fully don't even know what a Commonwealth even makes a difference. I think Massachusetts is the Commonwealth too. Pennsylvania, I didn't know Pennsylvania was. Hey, Fernurky, what's up? And Davin, good morning. You guys showed up as a team. Wish to announce earnings. TBLT launches 500-foot rotary laser level kit. Okay. TTOO reverse stock split today. My size. Yeah, there's nothing. That's interesting. Absolutely nothing at 8:30. Worth a damn at least. Yeah, what up with that? Oh, I didn't know the PPI was due today. I didn't see that in the calendar of events. Maybe I missed it. So PPI plus 0.04% or plus 0.4%, consensus plus 0.2%.
PLTK.
Well, that's not good. Because if that's higher, then the CPI is probably going to be higher tomorrow too.
ADTX.
Food, or excluding food and energy plus 0.3%, consensus plus 0.3%. Yeah, I didn't even realize. I swear I looked at the economic calendar and it was only the Fed minutes today. And then tomorrow was the CPI. Oh, well. This is the ad spot on Peggy if it's going to continue to Peggy. But I mean, it might stop pegging right when I try to trade it.
PHG.
There we go. Some bids coming in. 590.
JAGX. AMRS.
Get back up through 6. Be good to go. I don't want to see it back under that 587 bid though, that's for sure. TTOO had their earnings now, right after the reverse split. Oh, they pulled that bid? Come on. Well, couldn't even make 6 cents on it. About to get Peggy'd. That was a 2022 breakout if I've ever seen one. Holy. Look at that. Sheesh o'clock.
TBLT.
I've got to sell if I'm up 5 cents or more. Especially on a breakout like that. Because look at the next candle. It just went to absolute shit. This is the state of the market.
CONL.
HPCO still has a chance, Discipline. It's just pulling back a little right now. All right, see ya. Catch you later, Peggy. Made 2 cents on you. That's honestly a home run, though, right now. 2 cents on an intraday move.
TMF.
Holy.
PLTK.
Oh, they threw in some double bids right here. They just want to make it look as ugly as possible before they send it. We want all of this smoke.
CONL. SAN. SVRE.
Question is, do I risk giving back my 2 cents on a potential 5 cent move? Tough. Best case scenario, this does, 589. And I'm buying 585. It's getting bid smashed right now. I see that.
RETL.
That's a very as expected result. They did make it look as bad as possible. Smashing those bids and then a quick little wipe up. I mean, this is in breakout zone. This has potential to absolutely rip right now, but it just won't. Nothing will. You gotta fake out, trap, go sideways, put in $1 billion volume, trade in a 5-cent range. Oh, somebody just bought 10K right there. Or tried to. And then they pulled their bid. I'm gonna fall asleep looking at this.
Sita.
It's just sad to watch, really. It really is sad. I don't know. So it reverse splits after hours today? Or it already did? Yeah, why would they do that? They needed to put the reverse split in and then drop the earnings. It may, though. It's dropping right now. Another random volume spike there on Pegasus. Watching this action is enough to drive me nuts. It's exactly where it needs to be, and it's still, they can't get it to push. They'll just randomly push it for 2 candles at 8:14 and catch everybody off guard. But when it sets up with a pattern, nah, well, it's not. Or sets up with, you know, whatever. Pattern, setup, range. I'm about to just go play Wordle instead of looking at this. So there's 6K, 5K, 2,800, 2,800, and then 12K. So it's got to buy through a lot, and the bid side's empty. Oh, that was a nice wipe by whatever short that was.
BHR.
See if they can sustain it. Yeah, more on the bid. That's a solid effort there. It was up 596, 597, about to break through, and they wiped 6 whole cents worth of bids. Okay, yep, they're walking it down now. Walking it down. See, this is just a picture perfect breakout, you know? I mean, you break above the level you can't get above for half an hour. Decent volume coming in, big test coming up, and then you get this, just Mona Lisa of a candle.
CRKN QTNT.
All right, on that note, I'm definitely going to Wordle. We're getting it in 3 or less today. Don't you worry. Don't you even worry about it. AIM just got FDA clearance for a study for COVID. A little late there, AIM. A little bit late. All right, we're going to start with the best word possible. What's that going to be? I don't know why, but it's popped in my head. So it's going to be this one. Oh, no. Okay, that's better. We're getting this in 3. What's it going to be? Toxic. Is that it? Is that it?
SHPH.
It could be. No, it's not topic. Okay, it's not topic. No.
SXTC. EHTH.
That is so disappointing. Can't be tonic. The T. Okay, I gotta stop looking at chat. I gotta get this. Okay, so let's just imagine an R in there. Roic. Roic. Rodic. Ropic. Rogic. Rocket. Rozic. Rosic. Rovic. Robic. Ronic. Romic. I'm guessing no on that. D-O. Doric. Dowic. Dodic. Dothic. Dogic. Dokic. Dozic. Dovic. Dovic. Donic.
INBZ.
I feel like it is NIC though. So. Maybe not. Man, freaking New York Times and their words.
TLIS.
It can't be that because I already used the L. Or Ionic. You think it's Ionic? Hey, what's up, JD? Could be Ionic. Yeah, I think that's got to be it. It's not Wanic, Ronic. It's probably Ionic. What a stupid New York Times word. Ionic. You're killing me. Thought I had it up here.
LCID.
All right, so perfect. Let's look at this. Let's dissect. Heel candle-ish right here, down to like a trend, and VWAP. Break below, looking ugly. Broke trend, bear flag, scoop-de-doop, loop-de-loop, hive day, boom. That's how you trade in 2022. So not only do we reject the breakout back down to VWAP, but we reject VWAP, we break this upper trend that it's been setting up. Knife down to no man's land. And then it's loop-de-swoop. So if you were buying this, even here, what do you set your stop at? 560? Do you risk 20 cents for potentially 20 cents? That's stupid. 1 for 1 is not a trade. But we just loop-de-swoop-de-dooped our way up, back up to highs. I mean, you have to love it. You have to.
CRKN.
You're forced to. This action is the reason that, I mean, market sucks. Market sucks. You just buy, hold, and hope, or you swing for 3 days. One of the two. So remove that, because that's pointless. I can honestly, remove all my lines now. Just make it a big black screen and say where on this black screen is this red candle gonna stop. Just play a quick game of where's the line gonna stop.
RRGB.
Scalp like a degen. Yeah, I mean, you almost have to go and scalp what's not in play, though. CCNC. Random volume shove on that.
PHG.
That's hilarious. Oh my god. You can't even go up 3 cents smoothly without getting smashed on. That's why I'm only going with 1,000 shares. I'm going to start doing 100 shares. I'm going to start doing 100 shares. HPCO starting to break down now. Well, it was. Well, it's doing some weird stuff now. HKD fading. Well. Well. Yeah, before you would assume like this thing's going to continue higher now, but you can't even create a breakout assumption.
NLSP.
Anything in play besides this freaking Pegasus play. Maybe HPCO will set up for open. It'll open at like 320 or something.
THMO.
There's nothing else with like even action, right? Besides CCNC got that little push this morning.
AUTL.
Please let there be something at 9 a.m. with news.
PHG, CNK,
SIDU got a contract, but not any terms disclosed that I see. PPSI $8 million contract. Agri got a patent. That's it. That's it.
ear, van, BOD, Kava,
PPSI news doesn't sound terrible. It doesn't say what the automaker is, but doesn't sound awful. Needs back through 320, it looks like. Yeah, there's a little volume. That was so delayed. What the heck?
CGEN,
Yeah, PPSI is getting some interesting action here. It's all over the place, but getting a move. Oh my God, Peggy! I don't ever want to look at this ticker ever again. Yeah, PPSI tried there for a second. Was pushing up, and now it's got a candle to match.
BBLG, FOXL, PHG, TPIC, FNGR,
APDM with the T2. Okay, let's look. Forgot about that one. So day one was 119 to 2. It's like a spot on 100% run. And then yesterday was a nice inside, and the close was 213, went as low as 183. Should be SSR today. I think it went down 10%. It would have to go down 21 cents. Yeah, so it'll be SSR today too. Yeah, definitely. Not a huge fan of what this looks. I wish I didn't even pull this up. I wish I just stay on the daily. Oh my god. Market going lows.
NDAC. CNK.
CCNC Hive Day. That one's the one up for nothing.
ATMP.
Appreciate you guys stopping by, hanging out today. Thanks for the likes, comments as always. Thanks to my members, my donors. I definitely wouldn't just sit here and talk to myself. So you guys are the reason that I come here and do this every day. I love doing it. But thanks for showing up. PPSI's got some huge shorts on the ass now. So they're not wanting that to go any higher. Unless they're just trying to load cheaper for long. But yeah, APDN's in play for sure. Oh, oh my god, that chart's disgusting. Especially this part. This nice flag, death, loop-de swoop-de, box it up, moonshot. Gross.
VOD.
Okay, let's get in the weddle of the day then, I guess. Let's do random. I don't even know who that is. AFC, probably wide receiver, could be quarterback. Probably quarterback. Over 20, this could be literally anyone. AFC East, wide receiver. Under 24 years old. It's not New England, okay. Waddle. Easy. Yeah, take out the trash. The trash man is here. Yeah, I'm looking at HPCO and PPSI for open. I will not be touching Peggy with a stick.
SOBR.
No way. Forgot about sober. That's another one that just refuses to die.
SPRC. WEVLILAG.
Alag's just been freaking floating. CCNC up to 24 now. No reason. This particular setup that PPSI's got on the 1 minute is a 10 out of 10 that I would take in the past. High relative green volume off the 9 on the 1, pushing up towards VWAP. Potential, stick to 340. But not no mo. It's got to go, it's got to drop to 296 and then trade sideways, drop to 295. So it goes 1 cent low, hits the stops, and then rip up to a box. All right, I'm gonna go feed the dogs, see the baby, get a Dr. Pepper. I'll be back in like 5 minutes.
OGI. TMF. LU. PLIS. NVTA. Band. HPCL. 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 ATXI. VOD.
Hello, friends. I have returned. PPSI. I see you had a kill candle. That means it's going to get a high day. Peggy. Oh my god, that's disgusting. Peggy with the, okay, we're fading down, holding this level. Starting to break up. Kill candle. Nope, just kidding. Let's go to high of day. Maybe this thing will go to 10 and then finally do its offering. So I can get off my screen. God, we've still got freaking 12 minutes to burn.
PEGY.
That's a long time. Okay, what do you guys see? Anything? What's the most nonsensical setup that we see? Because that's going to be today's runner. PPSI looking like it so far. Knife down. kind of floating in no man's.
NURO,
Textbook bear flag. It did the 1 cent lower here to try to get people out, and now it's curling back up. So not only did it red knife, trade sideways, try to push back up, but it actually went to a lower low than here. Got people out, more than likely, and now it is curling back. HPC, okay. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm watching. ADTX, where'd that come from? Oh, I didn't even see that. What is that? Is it just up on nothingness? No. Mathematical model. For COVID. So they produce some math, baby. I can see why that one's already back home.
NCMI. MRKR.
What pushed yesterday, if anything? I think I left the desk at like 9:20.
PHG.
You played Apron, right? It went up for like a minute and got wrecked, but you got it. It actually went way down and then hammered up. Yeah, Apron. Just had Amazon news yesterday. Amazon news, and this is what the chart looks like. Contract with a huge dealer. This is what the chart looks like. Not even an inkling of a PR besides Tom Holland. This is what the chart looks like. Wild, wild, wild stuff.
LU.
TQQQ is our top volume leader again. It's funny because even though SPY's dropped, it's still up on the day from where we closed at.
OILD. SCPH. 4. ACMR, NERV, VOD. TIGR.
We're watching PPSI, HPCO, and then Peggy's up again for the 18th day in a row. So they got 5 more minutes to burn before open.
STNE, PLTK. TI. RMO.
I mean, it's cheap enough. It is cheap. Did I see iMux yesterday? I don't remember. I don't think so. Oh, wow. Just got possessed, didn't it? Straight up possessed. No, I did not see that.
HPCO. GXII. Four. OB.
Oh yeah, yeah. It was one of those that if it doesn't break 640, you want 530, which sounded absolutely ridiculous. You're right. I remember that. I do remember that now. And here we are.
Tab.
I need to set up something on stream to where it like rings the opening bell at 9:30 on the dot. It does something cool with the stream.
Golf. Golf.
Yeah, I don't know how I would do that though. Yeah, I have to look into it. Okay, we got about 50 seconds left. Another day. I expect nothing but the worst for us today. IMUX, I guess that could bounce a little. ADTX, PPSI, Peggy. PPSI looking a little ugly in the open.
ADMP.
Here we go.
HPCO. HPCO. CGR, HPC, NXT, FPAY. Cost. PSI.
Tried to get ADTX 322. It wouldn't fill me. It delayed my order and put me on the bid.
GSIT, Kang. ADMP.
Guess I missed the play of the day there. We'll see.
AIMC. SQZ.
PPSI 295.
TRMP.
Turn this down a little bit. Market lows. Low of day at least. Didn't take long.
Grin. ADMP, BIBK.
ADMP. Oh, 22-cent stock. I ain't trading that. Get out of here with that.
CBAC. HPCO. PEGY. IDR. MOLN. Kang. PEGY. Shiv.
Peggy just trying to run now.
AZ.
Inverse market looks like. PPSI straight down.
TMCWW. THRN. Loco. HPCO. BU. FLJ. OILD. WWBR. TMTWWW. Misaku. Evi.
Market just murdered right now. 52-week lows should be within the next 5 minutes, looks like. So the stream title is going to be... It's not going to happen. Can we go one day without 52-week lows? Absolutely not.
DTEA. HPCO. Loco. PPSI. FLJ.
There's ADTX. My God, that took long enough. Look at this wickiness. I tried to get 323 though. It didn't give it to me. That's annoying.
TMCWW. Orla. RRGB. Orla. Loco.
FNGR's daily still set up if it can get rolling. I think it needs to go probably today, though, if it's going to go.
HPCO, loco. NBOS.
Got a 10K ask at 810 and 815. And 820 and 825. What the heck?
CVAC.
That's weird.
RRGB. APDS, RLX, VOXX,
APDN, I hear on the scanner. AC. Oh my god. So that one just moonshot. What in the world?
FRGT. CBIO, PPSI,
What in the world? It's literally straight up after open.
HPCO,
Nice. Good job if you guys were in. No way I'd have held that through open. PPSI, if you go look at the chart, it stopped me out at 283.
Neon, RRGB, RRGB, HPCO,
I hear 8 on the scanner. Is AMC going? Market didn't make 52-week lows. It's actually bouncing from this low zone here. Somehow, some way.
HPCO, PDSB, CVAC,
Yeah, Ape is getting volume for some reason. 1 million volume on this 5 minute. I'll probably give it up real quick though. Market's still holding up though from the bottom at least.
HPCO,
Let's see. HPCO doing some wickiness down from literally nowhere.
PDSB,
PPSI
AGFY,
still over 290. Doesn't look like it's gonna go though. Pegasus went to 680. Rejected pretty hard. APDN still up there. Dang, I had Finger Blast at where was it at? $7.99. Now it's at 840. IMUX with a bounce.
HPCO. NERV. CCNC.
Scanner's actually pretty active this morning, surprisingly. Still don't trust absolutely anything, but it's kind of active. APDN just floating. IMUX rejecting a little bit off the high right there. It's funny, IMUX at open did the 2022. So it went up out the gate and then was flagging here, had a huge red keel, and it looked like it was going to bear flag, and they just swooped it up. Now it's all green.
WHG.
Interesting. Very interesting. Now it doesn't look too bad, but they saved it.
GETY. CVAC.
Top gainer still HPCO.
MHU.
Yeah, there's IMUX. 875. The algos are turned on right here, and you see it. Just candle after candle after candle. Each one closes where the next one opens. Perfectly. HPCO looks like some of the other ones from this past week that just are stuck in a 5-cent range until it decides to go either to high day or just stay there all day. Big ready out the gate, and then higher low, higher low, higher low so far.
HPCO. TLIS. TUEM. QUMU.
You guys have any luck on anything?
ANPC. KNT. BRN.
Ship.
HRTG. SBFM. Cone. ATSG. DGFC. IDEX. GME. PSNYW. CFRX. RLX. AGFY. RLX. CRTSW. EMBK. HPCO. VBLT. MFH.
Not really seeing a whole lot. This is kind of set up here. Is it asking to die though? I don't know.
TNGX, KABL, CBAC, MOLN, APDN,
517 to 540 is good though. It's a huge trade in this market. Yeah, ADTX was acting weird, but good job on that. I missed the 523. I really wanted that low.
AGFY, HPCO,
Market pushed back up almost to 360. Believe it or not.
TTNP, CCNC, OCIFR, MFH, FWP, CCNC, SELB, ELYM,
Okay, this is starting to fade now.
HPCO,
Yeah, it went straight up after open. APDN did. Should have taken more. Yeah, I mean, can't expect to make 1 cent in this market, so going small is the way to go.
SCPH, JFU, AGFY, West Northwest, SCPH,
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. That's the right question to be asking, Jesus. Why did it not do that yesterday?
SIDA, LPTV, SIDA, FANH, Cone, MCLD, KSHA, CBIO, CCNC, HPCO, CBAC, MMAT,
Okay. Yeah, APDN hit 240 straight up at the gate. Apron's fading. HPCO looks very interesting. Not in a good way. ADTX looks terrible. Okay, HPCO full fade now. So that's off my screen. ADTX off my screen. Peggy.
HPCO,
Don't know what that thing's doing.
SCPH APDN CCNC SCPH FNGR ELOX
820. Wait, what was it? Something. Not 823. 323.
CYAD
Right here when it dropped to 319.
OPGN SESN RWLK CNTG APDN UV REUN
Finger Blast is trying to finger blast right now. 868.
UC HCTI CDRB UV FLJ LTRYW
Yeah, I tried to get it open. I don't usually buy like after it's already bounced because that's the move for me.
APDN VIGL HPCO VLT APDN MCLD
APDN still straight up. Wow.
GBP IDN KNB DGLY ADMP Host UPC EXAI
Well,
FFFC Cone Bearing RSSS HPCO SOS Sire Cone UPC
market's trying to fade back down again. Can't even hold up, you know, to 360.
Cone APDN CBEO.
Is that Peggy finally dying? Makes sense to me. Alt up, baby. Makes sense to me.
REUN. Ghetto. VOXX. VIRS. SIDA. CCNC. Ghetto. SIDA. JAGS. IDR. CBN. VIRS. AGFY. JZXN.
Finger just got blasted down.
SIDA. HPCO. AGFY. SPI. JZXN. JZXN. FLJ. IDR.
Yeah, basically, yeah. No risk management. You're right. You're right. You can't play this market with risk management. It's impossible. Everything's got to go to the ugliest spot, break below everything before it can go higher. It's ridiculous, Mickey. Absolutely ridiculous.
TMQ.
Unfortunately.
SCM.
And that's why I'm not playing it. Because it's just a buy, hold, and hope.
JZXN. ADMP. JZXN. DTF. JZXN. EDAP. IMH. Gas. Sire. Ronnie. SPI. CVRX.
HPCO, low volume.
HPCO. KSTR.
See if they can actually get a curl out of it, though.
BNTC. Gas. KC.
APDM, watch price at 243. Okay.
MDJH.
Yeah, it's on a steep 1 minute uptrend. Some nasty ask here, but if it can get through like 250, maybe.
SMMT.
HPCO VWAP touch. Finger just dropped 40 cents. Absolutely disgusting flush on Finger Blast. Yeah, I mean, if you sold up there, good job. Man, I should have held on to my HPCO. I had 335. I just don't trust anything. I keep saying it over and over and over again, but I trust absolutely nothing. That might have been it on Peggy. Hit 750. So the offering's got to be coming today, right? Has to be coming after hours.
PEGY. JZXN. SXTC. HPCO.
Oh, there's the big reject on HPCO.
QUMU.
Yeah, I hope for better. I hope for movement at some point this month, please.
GERN. HPCO.
What's something else that's been up recently with no reason besides Peggy? Sober. Finger Blast. Finger's dying though.
SXTC. AMTI. LGBCW. SXTC.
Anything else that missing that's been up for no reason for the past few days?
KPRX. Seen. HPCO, CIA, TCBP, HPCO, CYAD, JYNT, MCHX, FLJ. ISUN, ISUVG, GHG, FLJ, CCNC, NYNC, PHIO.
IMUX up to an 850 test. Chart looks okay. It's gonna need some big volume though to push it through.
HPCO. COS. MMAT. Lucy. PEGY. Lucy.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna do it either.
Lucy.
Anything with potential is rejecting insanely hard. Market dying again.
PPBT. REVB. HAB. CCNC. HPCO. HAB. CCNC. LGVCW. HAB. EasyGeo. HAB. DXF. APDN.
Yeah, it's trying to go. It's having some nasty upper wicks, but yeah, you're all right. It is trying to go.
DXF. APDN. Poly.
Try to get IMUX at 847. Give me 10 shares.
GHSI. Derm. HAB. PGY. APDN. APDN.
There it goes. Man, that would have been a huge trade for me.
HPCO.
When it rains, it pours, baby. There's $9. Been a nasty trade.
IMUX.
Sheesh. Imagine that. 10 whole shares filled.
RNXT. SPRC. West Northwest.
Blowing through $9 now, baby. Blowing through. Gotta love it. Yeah, I was trying to buy 1,000 shares, 847 right here. Fill me 10. Fill me 10.
AGFY. LGVCW. DGHI. CVVV. HPCO. Up. MMAT. LTRYW. BBLN. CLIR. MMAT. MMAT. OPAT. MMAT. MMAT. PBPB. MMAT. PBPB. Opal. Any.
I'm getting a phone call, guys. Hold on 1 second.
AGFY. APDN. FUSN. KNT. HPCO. APDN.
Okay.
APDN. HPCO.
I don't know what AGFY is, but it's getting a lot of volume here.
AGFY.
It's a penny stock, 66 cents.
AGFY. AGFY. AZ. AGFY. SWVL. CCNC.
Yep. APDN, is that what you're talking about? Yep, it's hit 260. Man, can't believe that thing just rocket shipped out the gate.
FOXO. SNT. AGFY. HPCO. AGFY. UTI.
Peggy 725. I'd love to see it blast through high today to squeeze the shorts again. They shoved it down just now. It looked like it was going to die, and they didn't let it die. So maybe they'll get the squeeze now. Pushing on over 750.
Duo. HOTX. JSPR.
IMUX trying to recover. Okay. Let me look.
AGFY.
It is. Yep. Yeah, I missed the freaking entry down here. 847, man. Try my best to get it.
HPCO. APDN. APDN. FSRD.
APDN, I hear. Peggy's in a position to squeeze. The question is, will they squeeze it? It's at 735. Needs to really like blow through 750. They like a skip the tape. That would be the only way. Because if it just goes slow and steady, they're gonna rock it. and it's doing slow and steady. So they're just setting it up for failure if they don't push it through on Pegasus.
TSHA, AGFY, APDN, APDN,
APDN still straight up. What is going on?
AGFY,
It's like algo possessed today.
HPCO.
Yeah, there goes Peggy down a little bit. They had him. They really had him into the squeeze position, and they refused. So market fading. APDN still straight up. CCNC's our top gainer.
APDN.
HPCO is trying to do something. 350 test again.
HPCO. NBY.
It's always the question is if they can get it over the level in this market. Like, can you actually break out? Doubt it.
HFROA.
They got it right underneath breakout level. I mean, it's 348. Bitter. Two okay bidders here on HPCO, and they just got smashed. Never mind. They're gone. Hilarious. APDN still. This is algos. Has to be. Look at this. It's just straight up. Straight up. It's crazy. There's HPCO's 350 test now. They had to break through those bids to get the test. It's kind of funny. Broke 350, made it all the way to 351, which is kind of crazy. Couldn't go any higher than 351. Man. 275 is pretty big on APDN. Wow. HPCO 350 break led to 351, ladies and gentlemen. Let's party.
CCNC, APDN, NBY, IRRX plus.
CCNC 30 now. You playing CCNC snacks? Watching Lays. Yeah, I just got a nice little stick after a kill candle.
HPCO. KNT.
I've had sober up on my other screen today too, all day. Just chilling. Yeah, LASE is getting a little bit of action.
APDN.
275's got a 13K ask. $6K ask. They chipped away at it a little bit. They put a 10K bid 270. This was the runner from yesterday.
IRRX Plus.
There it is. Oh, you got 257? Nice. It's up to 278 now, 280. Bids coming in.
AGFY. AGFY.
Yeah, 280 test on the lays. That's a little resistance level. It was support yesterday that broke. But nice move. It got me green. I quick scalped it.
HIBS. TIBC.
Market about to go to a new 52-week lows, baby. On the way.
HPCO.
Wow, lace is going. Yep. You're going to regret it. It'll probably reject here, 287, 288. That's a little bit more resistance. But, I mean, if it gets through,
AGFY.
I don't see why not. I mean, you got to love the 10:20 a.m. volume spike.
KBNT. PNTG.
Yeah, I was in way higher than you. I had 271.
UPXI. OPTT. MHLD. IDR. GWAV. Nope. CCNC. Lots.
Peggy 740 test. I think that's going to be the trigger. If it can get through 7.4, it's good to go. 15K on that ask.
FLJ. AGFY. OTMO. EHI. Neon. ZFOX. Hap. GTVP.
Peggy's like moving in quicksand right now. Yeah, couldn't do it. Lame. Sometimes, but lately I've been leaving by like 11. But I haven't been wearing it on stream, but I've got these blue light glasses right here that help a whole lot with the strain, like longer term. They just look weird and they have like a really strange glare to them, like to wear them on stream. But yeah, these work pretty good. ATX. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Oh man. Yeah, it gets pretty bad there and for a very long time.
AGFY.
Lays $3.
HPCO.
These lines literally and support and resistance don't even matter anymore. It's just whether or not we're going to follow through or not. Lay's potato chips.
RX Plus. CPIX. CBIO. HAP. MDJH.
AGFY. Yeah, that was a big break, man. Wow, PPSI looks like apron yesterday. Just straight down, back to even on the day.
AGFY. APDN. AGFY.
APDN still in play. No! Oh my god. What did I say to you guys earlier? I've been keeping sober up on one of my other charts. Looks good, just kind of chilling down here. Watching it all freaking morning. And it got the old, let's see. The old 10:27 a.m. volume spike. And market high or low for now. For now.
IDR, GERN, IONR.
We got anything left? Market trying to recover a little bit.
PRQR. CYAD. AGFY. HPCO. SUPB. EJH.
So yeah, market bouncing a little, Bitcoin bouncing a little. AMC is wrecked. Every time I see the market bounce, I go look at AMC because they kind of move together now, and AMC is just murdered. 590. It's crazy.
BBLN. GWAV. BBLN. AGFY. AEI. MTP. KBNT.
All right, I'm not saying anything. I am going to go ahead and call it for the day. Thanks for hanging out, guys. We made it to 10:30 without me pulling my hair out. Crazy. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Don't give back any gains if you do have them. If you are red, please don't snowball. Please don't go forcing things. There's always tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow's better. 2 p.m.'s that minutes release. It's old news, basically. So whatever the last meeting was, this is just word for word, basically what they said at that meeting. So it's not anything like that's happening today. They're just releasing it. I don't know why it takes them half a month to release it, but they do. But anyways, that happens at 2. And then tomorrow is the big CPI numbers. And then I think Friday is like jobless claims or something. So big end of the week coming. But for now, I'm out. See ya.